una talaga, walang-wala talaga kaming participants, ganun. Wala kaming established na mga agendas, ganun.
Nung nagko-conduct kami ng youth space is, ang mangyayari lang is kami-kami rin po na nag-organize, tapos tatatlo, lilima po na mga participants lang po yung nakaka-attend po sa amin. Nilulook forward ko na magkaroon ng active organization na kung saan nakakatulong hindi lang sa community kundi para sa kanya-kanyang personal growth.
Hi, we are Team Sinag Eskwela, comprised of 7 development studies majors. Our team name is comprised of 3 words. Sinag, which means sunray, embodying hope and optimism. Eskwela, which is shortened of Eskwela, which means school. And Kwela, which means fun. Our project name is entitled Tayo na sa Pagkapit Bisig, which is a call to solidarity.
Our partner communities are the Foundation, a non-profit organization that extends support to underserved children, youth, and their families. Then, in the heart of Barangay Bagong Silangan QC, lies a budding youth organization named Katipunan ng mga kumikilos na kabataan ng Bagong Silangan, who we partnered with for the project.
Ang layunin ng ORDA ay makapag-organize ng mga communities, lalo na yung youth group, yung parents group, yung children's group, para sila mismo ay makatulong dun sa pagtugon sa issue nila sa community.
Project Tayo Na aims to invigorate active engagement in the KKK while enhancing the organizational capabilities of its members, ensuring KKK's evolution into a self-sustaining, effective platform for youth-led advocacy and community development.
We started our engagements with Day 1 Tipon, wherein the vision and mission of KKK were revised during breakout sessions. Aside from this, youth empowerment talks were held, given by speakers Kuya Neil and Ate Celeste. Then there was also a campus tour of Ateneo conducted before the workshop started.
Day 2, Yabong, focused on the long-term plans of the organization. It included a project management talk facilitated by Sir E.J. Solis. Day 1 and Day 2 focused on building the foundation of the organization. The third day, or the culminating activity, served as the integrated output over the last 2 workshops.
For Day 3 Kapit Bisig, KKK was officially launched as an organization. In this event, the officers introduced the organization's constitution and bylaws, its vision, mission, and goals, and of course, its first set of officers. Aside from these, there were opportunities for team-building activities for the members to build relationships with each other. This event was organized by the core team of KKK with guidance from Sinag Eskwela.
Na po kasing pumasok sa isip ko yung sinabi po ni Kuya Neil na ang kabataang mulat ay tunay na pag-asa ng bayan. Parang napagtanto ko po na magtutulungan po talaga, mas magkakaroon pa po talaga ng better future para po sa mga youth.
Ano nakatulong ang Tayo Na sa iyo?
Pumasok yung Tayo Na. Maraming nabigay na opportunities, lalong-lalo na sa core group, na mas mabuild pa nila yung mga sarili nila, and also nag-gain ng knowledge kung paano ba magpatakbo ng isang organization.
Masasabi kong may naitulong na sa akin yung KKK. Kaya ko na siyang masabi na magagamit ko siya in the future. And I know na mas marami pa silang mga activities na makakatulong hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa mga kabataan gaya ko.
Ano naman ang pangarap mo para sa KKK?
Pangarap ko sa KKK ay magpatuloy sila, madadagdagan yung kanilang members, ma-accommodate nila or ma-access yung organization ng mga iba pang kabataan dito sa Bagong Silangan.
Ang pangarap ko sa KKK, first, yung mission vision natin is matupad natin. Then, gusto ko yung mga member sa loob ng organization na yun ay mag-enjoy. Mag-enjoy habang pinupulfill nila yung obligation nila inside and outside the organization as a human.
Makatulong sila sa komunidad na ma-fill in yung mga gaps na hindi kayang ibigay ng local governments. Sila mismo yung umaksyon, gumawa ng paraan, ma-solusyonan yung mga gaps.
We are very honored to have worked with such passionate youth members who thirst for youth organizing and maximizing their potential, grabbing opportunities as they come their way. Project Tayo Na is an unforgettable experience that we hope KKK will treasure with all the memories and learnings they've gained. Witnessing everyone grow, I can actually say, kaya na nila.
Kaya ba?